With a little bit less than 24 hours, will GeForce Machine be able to save this customer's product? With big margins at stake, you bet your sweet cheeks GeForce Machine conquered the impossible and pulled it off. Due to the lack of preventative maintenance, the gearbox, bearings, and seals required replacement. GeForce manufactured new gears from blanks, precisely cut, heat-treated, lapped, and polished to match the specs of the originals. Additionally, the shafts were ground and polished to meet the original specifications. Job well done, boys. Go home and get some rest. You've well earned it.